So today I'm about to show you how to change response language in Fluid.io. If you want your AI nodes to generate content in a different language or quickly translate your active canvas, this quick trick is absolutely the best. First, log into Fluid.io, open your main creation workspace, look over to the sidebar menu, hover down to your account profile avatar at the very bottom. Click on your account menu to pull up the quick control settings window. Next, inside the account settings pop-up, you will see an option labeled language. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select your preferred target language like English, Spanish, or Japanese. Once selected, hit save to update your default canvas settings so future AI responses nodes match your choice. Now, if you want to quickly swap languages for an existing response on your canvas, just highlight the text node, press Alt and T on your Windows or Option and T on Mac to trigger the instant translation pop-up. Choose your target language or type translate into the command bar. So that's it. That's how to change response language in Fluid.io. Make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.